I hope you are getting okay. Now it's come. Sorry, it was disconnecting again and again, Vita, because of the network issues. Yeah, I am writing it neat and cleanly. Make the question numbers separate so they do not get mixed. 5, 5, 0, rupees, 1, 3, 5, 5, 0. Make sure कि एक के नीचे एक आए. किसी और का वंस का टेंस में चला गया, टेंस का वंस में चला गया, it will create a lot of problem then. All right.
Ma'am, your video is
Okay, now see here, 800 is 8, 5, 5, 10, 15 and 1, 15, 5, 5, 10, 15 or 8, 18, 5, 1, 23.
the screen is coming very blur.
समर भेज दूंगी बेटा मैं. I know very well. समर बेटा माइक नहीं खुलना चाहिए अब, ओके?
Then should I send it on the WhatsApp group?
No need to send beta. I just send it out so that I can see what is the mistake you have done.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
All right. ओके बेटा, बेटा ग्रैंड टोटल से पहले एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया करो देव. नहीं नहीं कुशाग, सॉरी कुशाग. गुड अपूर्वा.
Ma'am, please see mine.
आई एम चेकिंग everyone's beta. Don't ask me one by one. Please see mine. Okay, Rehansh, very nice. Rehansh, where you have been? Huh, Rehansh, where were you?
Ma'am, I was in Goa.
You were in Goa. You were enjoying the sea and the beaches.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, I have gone.
Huh?
Ma'am, I was the water in. Ma'am, I was gone at water sport also.
You have done the water sport also. I've seen your video.
Ma'am, my mother has done paragliding.
Very nice. अभी तो mountains पे गए थे, अब beaches पे चले गए हैं? क्यों रेहांश? कभी
Yes,
mountains
ma'am.
पे, कभी beaches पे हो, हाँ?
Yes.
You're enjoying your holidays, like, right, Rehansh? क्यों रेहांश? Holidays enjoy
Ma'am.
है ना? Very good. But doing your work very nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I've shared, beta, if you're unable to see here, I've sent it on the WhatsApp group also. You can just check it from there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, this period will get over at 9:40, 9:20, I think so.
And I have also sent it my work.
All right.
Ma'am, I have done.
समर, मैंने क्या बोला था? समर का
मैंने-
ना माइक नहीं खुलना चाहिए समर का.
Samar is left.
Samar has left.
Ma'am, please side.
All right. I am side.
Ma'am,
What beta? What were it?
next
I'm just sending. Wait a minute.
speech.
वरुण, आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, टाइप कर दो.
12.3.
All right, good everyone. Okay, Nihit, good. Okay, but now we are going to start a new chapter, that is clock. All right, I'm back here. Yeah, 12.3 क्यों करेंगे? अच्छा, फोर्थ ए बेटा और सी आपका पीछे का मिसिंग हो गया है, बीच का, है ना? 12.3 का सी पार्ट इज मिसिंग, है ना? तो बेटा आपके लिए मैं एक्स्ट्रा क्लास ले लूंगी एक, आई विल टेक योर जीरो पीरियड एंड समडे. All right, not today, by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll take your next class and we'll complete that in C section and A section also. Yes, okay, we are back here. So fourth A and fourth C, some or the other day, I'll take your extra period, zero period, और मैं आपको वो जो बीच में रह गए हैं दो exercises, 12.3 is left, I think so. Then I'll make you do that. All right. ठीक है, अभी हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, चैप्टर 13. डोंट वरी अबाउट फोर्थ ए और फोर्थ बी. फोर्थ ए बी में फोर्थ बी का तो कंप्लीट चल रहा है, सॉरी. फोर्थ सी से उत्सव यू विल टेल मी बेटा आपने कौन सी पेज तक कंप्लीट किया था, मुझे ये व्हाट्सएप पे पर्सनल मैसेज कर देना, ओके? और क्या क्या रह गया है 12th चैप्टर में. और फोर्थ ए से अपूर्व एंड शौर्य आर हियर. अपूर्व एंड शौर्य आर हियर.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
सॉरी बेटा, आप मुझे पर्सनली टेक्स्ट कर देना कि आपका क्या क्या रह गया है 12th चैप्टर से, कितना रह गया हमारा 12th. ठीक है, फोर्थ ए से दिस स्टूडेंट समडे आई टेक यू एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड एंड फोर्थ ए एंड फोर्थ सी जीरो पीरियड ले लूंगी मैं आपका, और उसमें कंप्लीट करा दूंगी मैं ये जितना भी रह गया है. ऑल राइट, because it is not possible for all three classes to take to study the same thing, because fourth B का सब complete है ना? फोर्थ बी का तो सब कंप्लीट चल रहा है. फोर्थ ए एंड सी आर लेफ्ट, a few questions in fourth C, और फोर्थ ए में एक क्वेश्चन रह गया है पूरा का पूरा. So we'll do that. Okay, तो उत्सव मुझे फोर्थ सी से बताएगा ना, पूर्व एंड शौर्य फ्रॉम फोर्थ बी. All right. Okay, now we are going to start a new chapter. It is given on page number 13. Okay, chapter number 13 we are going to start, that is time. Chapter 13. Time. All right. We are going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, time. If you have clocks, be ready with the clocks in the fourth period. Be ready with the clock in the fourth period. All right? Be ready with the clock.
Take clock. We have to take clock in our hand.
Like this. Let me show you like this.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All right, everyone.
Ma'am, can
And two sheets of paper. Two sheets of paper.
clock
The clock as well as two sheets of paper.
and then two sheets of
Paper. Clock as well as two sheets of paper. All right. Clock as well as
around and small clock.
yes, any clock you can have. We'll study about time. You can bring any clock as you want. I am not able to hear a single voice of yours. It is not audible to me.
Ma'am, I am asking that can I take hand clock?
Yes, you can take, but it is preferable. This clock is preferable. अगर आपके पास ये clock है तो be ready with this clock and two sheets of paper as well. Two sheets, different color के अगर sheets of paper है तो आप different colors के ले लो, जैसे एक white ले लो, एक pink ले लो. ठीक है? So be ready with the two sheets of paper, scissor. Okay, we'll do one activity in the next period. We'll do in the next period one activity. I'll tell you what. So be ready with the clock. Two different coach कोई भी
this is correct.
Iram, no need to show me. I'm not showing. I'm not going to listen to you.
Ma'am, we have to take scissors.
मेरी बात सुनोगे या अपनी पूछती रहोगे? Will you listen to me? I'm not going to see anybody's camera now. I'm not looking at anyone. Listen to me first. You can take any clock. If you have this clock, this one is preferable. And if you don't have this one, you can take a watch also, which you wear in hand, not the digital one. And if you have digital one also, you can bring that. And 2 different color sheet. आप white भी ले सकते हो, आप pink, मतलब जो different होना चाहिए, white or anything other, any other color. Any paper, beta, any sheet of paper. No need to show me, ma'am, this one or that one or this one or that one. Okay? Any sheet of paper you can take and be ready with the scissor and whatever you have. All right? We'll do activity in the 4th period. Yeah, we'll do activity in the 4th period. Be ready with the scissor, gum, and that's it. And with the pencils or sketch pens if you have. Sketch pens if you have. All right. So see you in next class, everyone. See you in the 4th period. 4th period is again mine. You can join Pooja ma'am's link.